Friends, a very good morning to everyone. So let me start the session now. I-GLOW is one of its kind, first of its kind natural product in India, which is based on the concept of nutricosmetics. This is one of the important things that the world is going through today. Nutricosmetics is nothing but consumption of cosmetics orally. In the sense, it is consumption of the cosmetics through your mouth. It is not the application of the cosmetics. This is exactly called as nutricosmetics. This is very important because people are all using cosmetics day in and day out. My dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. Because of this lockdown period, the actual cosmetic sales, the application cosmetic sales have reduced a lot because people have not gone out. They have not exposed to sunlight. They have not become dark. Okay, the tan has not happened. And in fact, all the cosmetic companies are under loss now because they also come to know that whenever people are taking care of themselves without exposing to any kind of harmful pollution or harmful factors outside the house, automatically their cosmetics is of no use actually. This is what exactly is happening in the world today. People are actually gaining the antioxidant strength by consuming the products rather than applying the products on their skin. This is what exactly is the importance of nutricosmetics today. This is very important. Going ahead, my friends, I would like to tell you some of the articles which has appeared very recently after the COVID lockdown has happened so far as the nutricosmetics are concerned. See, there is one article which I would like to quote you here. This is from a magazine called as Business Wire, which was dated May 12th, 2020. Nutricosmetics impact during the COVID-19 crisis. Now what the article tells is, because of this COVID-19 crisis, even though people are less applying the cosmetics from outside, but still because of the stress they are undergoing through, because everyone is stressed out sitting at their houses, they are not venturing out into work because of the fear of the disease. Their stress levels are increasing, because of which aging is happening in the people. People are becoming aged. In the sense, it is not the increase in the biological age what I am trying to tell you. It is increase in the age of your skin. Your skin is becoming aged because of your stress levels. And in fact, one of the surveys in the same magazine says that the nutricosmetic market is positioned to grow by 1.51 billion. Again, I am going to tell you this. The nutricosmetic market is expected to grow by 1.51 billion US dollars from 2020 to 2024 at a compound annual growth rate of 5% during these years, which means that now the companies are trying to understand that there is no use of application cosmetics. See, promotion and sales of application or topical cosmetics is always there, but now the companies are actually trying to understand the importance of oral cosmetics, the cosmetics which can be consumed by mouth, because this is the only one which can retard your growing age, not the biological age, but the age of your skin. This is very important. I would like to tell you another article which has appeared in one of the European magazines called as Cosmetic Design. It's called as Cosmetic Design. They tell that nutricosmetics, the whole world is ready for this concept of nutricosmetics. This is exactly called as, it's actually a boom which is going to happen in the world called as nutricosmetics. And they tell you an important statement here, which is a very good statement for your promotion. What is I-GLOW? If someone asks you what is I-GLOW, please tell this statement. I-GLOW is nothing but moving beyond traditional beauty. You are moving beyond traditional beauty. This is exactly called as I-GLOW. So my dear friends, now I think you got the point for promotion now. Always try to promote nutricosmetics because of the stress during the COVID season or even post-COVID season. In a country like India, people are always stressed up, because of which the age of the skin is increasing, because of which they can get so many diseases in the future. That is the reason why, in order to control or retard the aging skin, please start with I-GLOW immediately. This is what you people have to promote in the field. I hope you got this point clear. Going ahead, The same magazine, Cosmetic Design of Europe, states another important thing, like coronavirus bites the beauty segment. This is one of the major articles which has appeared on the same day, 7th of May 2020. 7th May 2020 in Cosmetic Design Europe magazine. They say that coronavirus bites the beauty segment. In fact, they are talking about the cosmetic beauty segment, that is the outside, the topical beauty segments, not the nutri-cosmetics. Because now the whole world is facing the wrath of cutting their sales in topical beauty segments, because people are very much anxious about or curious about finding out immune boosting products and not something which will make them look good or feel good. This is what they are not looking into. They want something which can beautify their skin from inside. This is exactly called as I-Glow. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, one of the important things again I want to tell you here, so far as the product I-Glow is concerned, I want to tell you one regulatory aspect of this particular product. See, all our products, Indus Viva products for that matter, as I have previously told you, are nothing but immune boosting products. Even I-Glow also for that matter is an immune boosting product only. Well, so far as the regulatory framework of these products are concerned, everybody of you must know that if someone asks you, what is the licensing of your products, which department this comes under, everybody has to tell this. These products are called as Ayurvedic health promoter products or Ayush health promoter products. These products come under the purview of Department of Ayush, Government of India. Now, as you know, the demand for Ayush supplements are really on increase, as most of the government level people are speaking about the alternate therapies in India. We are really going up the ladder these days actually. One more important thing I want to tell you this. Our product falls under something called as Ayush Health Promoter, which is falling under section 158, section 158 of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act of India. If someone asks you what is the regulatory framework of your product, you just need to tell this. Our products are classified as Ayush Health Promoter products, which are classified under section 158 of Drugs and Cosmetic Act of Government of India. This is where exactly we stand today. And as I previously told you, our products are gaining universal recognition today. It is not only within the boundaries of Pan India we are working out, our boundaries are reaching beyond the boundaries of India, as everybody knows that. So my dear friends, continuing ahead now, I-Glow is a product which is again based on the concept of nutri-cosmetics. And nutri-cosmetics, the importance of nutri-cosmetics, if someone has to tell you, you need to tell someone in this way actually. Nutri-cosmetics is a thing which will add on the health of your skin in the following ways. Nutri-cosmetic products normally, it reduces your dull complexion, lifeless complexion, it reduces your blemishes, it reduces your dark spots, your acne or the pimples, whiteheads and blackheads. These are some of the problems which are regularly faced by people in their routine lives. So, and apart from this, why I am telling you this point is, whatever the problems I told you right now will lead to the aging of the skin. Your skin aging will increase because of all these problems. That is the reason why I-Glow is a product which is formulated using the herbal ingredients along with the nutrition. Finally, it is made into something called as nutri-cosmetics. I hope my point is clear. Well, going ahead my friends, as everyone knows, I want to tell you this again. The most important ingredient which is present in I-Glow is nothing but your saffron. Saffron. Saffron is a flower. It is also called as kesar. Botanically, this is called as Crocus sativus. Crocus sativus. And saffron grows most of the countries in the world. It grows in most of the countries in the world. But the most sacred, the most quality saffron is actually found out in Kashmir Valley of India. In the Kashmir Valley of India, you get the best saffron in the world. This is where the saffron is available. The 100% quality saffron is available in the Kashmir Valley of India, which we are using in our product. It is actually called as the most expensive spice in the world. Saffron is also a kind of spice. If someone doesn't know, people think that only pepper, ginger, chili is a spice. No, even saffron flower is also a spice. Well, my dear friends, apart from that, saffron has also been documented in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda, which are dating back to 5,000 years. Everybody knows that pregnant women during the olden days and even now were given milk along with saffron so that the complexion of the child will enhance. This is actually a traditional basis of the same thing, which are taken from the traditional textbooks. Similarly, we have also taken the leads from the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda and have formulated a product like I-Glow so that everybody's skin gets benefited. I hope my point is clear here. Well, apart from that, saffron is also known for managing acne and skin breakouts. This acne is nothing but your pimples and skin breakout, and saffron is also known for enhancing the wound healing properties. Suppose if you have a wound on the skin, it will help in healing the wounds. That is also a very important point of saffron. So, and apart from this, what I would like to tell you here is composition of I-Glow. If I have to tell you the composition of I-Glow, it contains natural plant collagen, it contains grapeseed extract, it contains kojic acid, it contains the licorice extract, it contains lutein extract, and it also contains natural CoQ10. These are actually the major ingredients which are present in I-Glow. So this is how I-Glow helps in managing your day-to-day routine skin diseases. Well, my dear friends, coming back to the benefits of I-Glow, I would like to tell you that I-Glow is a product which is beneficial for making the skin lightening, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, skin moisturizing, dark spot reduction, blemish control, radiant complexion, skin damage control, skin rejuvenation, liver detox, and it is a very good blood purification agent as well. These are the major benefits of I-Glow that anyone can use it for. And apart from this, my dear friends, I-Glow is an excellent product for men, women and kids. There is no hard and fast rule that a cosmetic product should only consume by a man or woman. No, it is a unisex product actually. For best results, I would suggest you guys to use 1 to 2 sachets of I-Glow 15 minutes after food every day. This is a very important thing. It can be consumed safely for a longer duration and it is usually well tolerated. It can be used along with any other medications that you are using also. So well, my dear friends, with this I would like to end this small session on this product actually. And today my colleague Mr. Akbar has collected the questions actually. So shortly I will be answering your questions. So don't worry if your questions are not answered today. Once we have another Thursday, or otherwise called as the I-Glow day, we will be taking up your questions again for answering. So please make the best use of it. Definitely we will try to answer each and every question of yours and we will see that it doesn't go anywhere in waste actually. Okay. So my dear friends, I have got the question list ready now. So let me try and answer these questions once. The first question is from Mr. Muhammad Abdul. He is asking, what are the preservatives in I-Glow? Getting pimples and cough by using I-Glow. See, I would like to tell you one thing. Preservatives. See, the preservative, normally we use the preservatives which are approved by the government. So we are using something called as potassium sorbate around 0.05% in I-Glow, which is a government approved food preservative only for preserving the product and not for any other activity. See, what exactly happens during the detoxification process is, I-Glow is also a very good detoxification product. Whenever the detoxification is happening inside the body, normally you will get some kind of a heat in the body. The heat will be generated because of which 1 or 2 days some pimples can come out. And sometimes the cough can also come out. This is all due to the detoxification process. Once the detoxification ends, automatically the good skin will be rendered. This is how exactly the product works in the body. So the second question is, will I-Glow help for treating pigmentation issues? Definitely yes. But here my dear friends, what I am trying to tell you here is, I-Glow is only for reducing the pigmentation. This is very important. I-Glow is only for reducing your hyperpigmentation. For example, if someone is wanting a bright skin, there is something called as melasma. Melasma is nothing but darker pigmentation on the skin. If someone wants to reduce the darker pigmentation into a lighter pigmentation, eye glow certainly helps, not the other way around. Try to understand the point. Okay. The next important point is whether eye glow can be consumed by 3 to 6 years children. Definitely yes, you can use eye glow from 1 year onwards. Well, the next question, my dear friends, how long can we use eye glow? As I previously told everybody, any of the wellness products should be continuously used at least for 3 months or 90 days to show its beneficial effects. That is the way eye glow actually acts in the body. Better to use it for 90 days. The next question is from Mr. Josh. Can eye glow remove pregnancy marks? So my dear friends, I want to tell you here one thing. Stretch marks are nothing but the loosening of the skin on the body because of the stretching of the skin. So eye glow is actually a nutri-cosmetic product which is not acting on the stretch marks. Well, I would like to suggest you Eye Slim Flat Tummy's Bar is a very good product which we are doing a clinical trial on cellulite. Cellulite is a point which is nothing but your stretch marks. We call it as anti-cellulite. If once such trial is proven, we will definitely update you on the point that such a product can be used for reducing stretch marks but not eye glow. Well, apart from this, the next question is from Mr. Ishwar. How helpful it is in chronic liver disease? This is a very important question because eye glow in fact acts by detoxification of the liver. But detoxification of the liver normally leads to the purification of blood. That is how eye glow helps in giving a very good skin. Not by, it is not for liver transplant patients and all. It is only for purification of the blood. It does the liver detoxification. I would suggest you to continue eye pulse in such conditions. Well, another question from Ms. Shweta. Eye glow work on skin problems like psoriasis. Again, as I've told you previously, psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. It is always dependent on the atmosphere and the climate. So, eye glow is quite impossible for psoriasis conditions as it is an autoimmune disease and doesn't come through any kind of blood purification parameters. Well, the next question, is it advisable to leukoderma treatment? No, absolutely no. As I have previously told you, it is the pigmentation disorders, especially like melasma, it is useful, not for main white patches or the vitiligo or the leukoderma. It cannot be used in such conditions. The next important question that I have is, consumer complaining for high acidity consuming eye glow, half an hour after meals. Well, my dear friends, again acidity is an important feature of detoxification only. What I would suggest you here is, definitely drink a lot of water after you consume eye glow. For example, always try to consume eye glow after food only. Because consumption of eye glow before food, the absorption is not so good. Whenever you consume it after the food, 15 minutes after the food, the absorption rate is quite high and definitely the activities will also be high. That is the main reason why I would like to suggest you that consuming eye glow after the food is always beneficial, not before the food, my dear friends. Well, the next question that I would like to take here is consuming eye glow 1 to 2 weeks, some people facing pimples. I think I have already told you this, answered this question. The next question is from Mr. Neeraj. Effects of eye glow in fungal infections like tinea infections. Definitely, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that some of the fungal strains, we are already having some of the trials which we are doing continuously on these bacteria and fungi, which are normally, eye glow is actually seen as a very good product there. Definitely you can use it there. Can eye glow be used for oily skin person? Definitely yes. Eye glow can be used for either dry skin, oily skin or a combination skin people. You can definitely use in all the three kinds of people here. So the next thing is, next one of the questions for Mr. Rudresh. Using eye glow for past 2 months, make out changes in skin color and glow in my face. Very good. It's a very good testimony actually. Definitely, as I've previously told you, continuous use of wellness supplements at least for 3 months or 90 days will definitely yield you very good results. So the next question what I am seeing here is, how much mg of saffron is there in this eye glow? See, my dear friends, I would like to tell you this. Eye glow contains 2 types of saffron ingredients. Whenever you cut open the sachet of eye glow and consume it, you will directly see the saffron, threads of saffron while consumption itself. Apart from that, eye glow also contains the extract of saffron which is used. So both of the aspects are actually present in iGlow in very good conditions, in very good quantities as well. So the next thing is, the last question that I am taking here is problem using iGlow during stomach pain. See, that is what, as I previously I have told you this, iGlow is a product, initially when you are consuming this, causes detoxification effects, because of which you might have slight gastric disturbances. What I would like to suggest you here is, please consume a lot of water after you consume iGlow. Always iGlow must be consumed after you consume your food. It is not before the food. 15 to 20 minutes after you consume your food, iGlow should always be consumed. This is how you need to take the iGlow. So my dear friends, don't worry about the rest of the questions. We have already made note of it, and I would like to tell you that the next week when we are coming here on the iGlow day, I would like to answer those questions along with the fresh questions as well. I hope, my dear friends, some of the points you have taken out of this session, please use it in your promotions. Definitely you will have very good sales with this. So my dear friends, I would like to end my session here. Thanks for all your patient hearing. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk here at Viva Tower, Indus Viva's corporate office at Bangalore. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.